Hello everyone, this is Patrina and
Ronald.
welcome to our Wellness Wednesday live on this page, Planet Wellness. If you're watching live, please say hello in the comments below. Tell us what the temperature is like where you are. Where we are, it's about, 10 degrees?
13.
13 degrees today.
13
However,
today.
it's still a bit chilly outside.
A bit chilly, yeah.
Hopefully next week we'll be able to do a live video outside in our garden. However, today we are still indoors and we are going to be talking about the health benefits of limes and lemons.
Yes.
So as the saying goes, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. So I'll hand it over to Ronald to share what we can be using for lemons and lemonades.
Yeah. I thought it would be appropriate at this time of the year where we're tapering from winter
spring.
to spring. Often towards the end of winter, people are so debilitated from 2 or 3 months of very cold weather, especially the one that we had about 2 weeks ago, that they tend to have sore throats and
Bit of runny nose,
coughs, skin problems, because they tend to eat a lot of junky food during winter.
More starchy foods.
Foods like
potatoes
and cakes and things like that. So to try and feed the warmth into their body. But what happens as a result, the body gets too much of it, too much starch, and you can get a sore throat at night or in the morning, right? So what I'm going to talk about is I'm going to give you first of all a recipe for if you have currently a sore throat or some sort of hoarseness, what you can do, right? So this is a lemon from our tree here. We've got a tree. We've got actually a lemon tree in the glass house. We've got another 2 outside, right? And this is a very healthy lemon. As you can see, the color is very bright yellow. And then this is another one, which is a combination of lemon and lime, okay? And then this is another one we've got. This is a lime. This is more in the lime family. We've also got that tree as well. And also the leaves. They're beneficial, right? So if you've got a sore throat, you juice 1 lemon, right? 1 lime, you juice that, and you put this in a teapot, put boiling water on it. After about 5 to 6, 7 minutes, you extract that green liquid and you put it into a tea cup, and then you squeeze the lime, which is that one. You squeeze the lime fully, very juicy, and then you squeeze the lemon fully, and then you get a one of those graters, and you grate this. They call that a zest. Grate that, and you put on and then you put some either apple cider vinegar, a little bit, and then you put
raw honey
or maple syrup from Canada, and then you just make it as hot as you can, and then you sip that. You find within about half an hour your sore throat's gone, right? So it's very, very healthy. Now, what are the other benefits of using lemons on a regular basis? First of all, lemon is very, very rich in vitamin C and a C complex. So that's good for colds, flu, and things like that. The other thing it's good for is that it's good for hay fever. It's good for asthma. It's very rich in pectin, which is like the pectin you get in apples, which is good for your digestive system. It's got high fiber when you use the whole fruit. It's also got a lot of benefits of the citrus family, which are beneficial for building the immune system up, especially this time of the year. Now, the other thing that's beneficial is that it has been proven to be beneficial against cancer, against digestive disorders, lung complaints, respiratory disorders, and so on and so on. It's an excellent fruit. I prefer to use the lime, which is this one, as I said before, and then the lemon, right, together, because together they have a double punch of vitamin C, right? In addition, when you're cooking fish, right? When you cook your fish, you squeeze a lemon or a lime or both on the fish and you grate some of that, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's also good if you've got some good quality cooked fresh octopus or squid. After you've cooked it, you squeeze the lemon and the lime on top of that and a bit of olive oil and a bit of salt from sel de Guerin, and you've got a delicious gourmet meal, right? Excellent for fish, excellent for chicken as well, right? And if you have a homemade pizza which is healthy, you can squeeze the lemon at the last minute on the pizza when the pizza's baked, right?
Yep. So we've got AJ and Ria watching here. AJ's asked, what are the 4 ingredients? Lemon, lime, maple syrup, and raw honey.
Yes, yeah, that's the combination.
And also the leaves of this you can get. It's the leaves of the lime tree
Yeah,
itself.
just that we've actually grow this. So this is if you've got, you can get a lemon tree for about 35 pounds, but it will last you 10 years, 10, 15 years. Now, if you have a cold, you use the leaves. You brew the leaves with boiling water for about 7 minutes. After you've decanted that into a teacup, you put the juice of that plus a bit of the zest, which is the grated, and that, and then you add some apple cider vinegar, a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Bragg's is the one I used, about 2 teaspoons. The maple syrup, that's I will show you a bottle of what it looks like. That's a good one, good brand, right? Maple syrup, or honey, and that is a delicious way to keep colds at bay or improve your sore throat when you've got one.
Yeah, and Ria's also mentioned that she loves using lemons and everything. I'm the same as well, especially when you're drinking like plain water. The water tastes a lot nicer, more palatable with the lemon juice in it as well.
We have a special water that from Japan called Kangen, and it's a really crisp, clear water. And when you add lemon juice, lime juice with it, it's absolutely refreshing and delightful.
So that's it for now?
That's it for now.
Yeah, okay.
We'll see you next week.
All right. So thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for all the heart likes and care emojis as well.
Yes.
Just a bit of good news as well. We used to be regular speakers at a internet radio station about 2 years ago, and because of a lockdown, the radio station ceased for a while. However, it's back on, and tomorrow at 7:15 a.m. UK time. If you log into libertyradio.co.uk or download the free app on your phone, on your smartphone, you will be able to hear us because we'll be on a live call. We won't be physically in the studio tomorrow. However, as from next month, we will be physically there on Wednesdays. So keep a lookout on us as well. And we look forward to seeing you on the call tomorrow.
We'll be because of our time constraints, we used to do it about once every week. But we've asked that we put on every fortnight, every Wednesday fortnight, and we'll keep you in touch which Wednesday we'll be on.
Yes. So till then, have a great week, and we will see you again soon.
And keep it. By the way, a side benefit of lemons is great skin. Have a look at Petrina's skin. Have a look at my skin. It's a vitamin C and the C complex in the lemons and the limes that gives you such good skin.
Okay, thank you everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.